The Canadian Constitution is the supreme legal framework governing Canada, encompassing various statutes, conventions, and judicial interpretations that outline the structure of government and the rights of citizens. The Constitution consists primarily of several key documents, with the most significant being the Constitution Act of 1867 and the Constitution Act of 1982. The Constitution Act of 1867, formerly the British North America Act, established Canada as a federation, detailing the division of powers between the federal and provincial governments. It outlines the roles of the Parliament of Canada and provincial legislatures, emphasizing the principles of federalism and the responsibilities of each level of government. The Constitution Act of 1982 introduced the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms, which guarantees fundamental rights and freedoms to all Canadians. The Charter encompasses civil liberties such as freedom of expression, equality rights, and the right to a fair trial. It also permits reasonable limits on rights, allowing for the balancing of individual freedoms with societal interests. Another critical component of the Constitution is the amending formula, which outlines the processes required to change constitutional provisions. This formula varies depending on the type of amendment, with some requiring approval from federal Parliament and a majority of provinces. Judicial interpretation plays a vital role in the Constitution, as the Supreme Court of Canada interprets its provisions and ensures adherence to constitutional principles. The Constitution also reflects Canada's commitment to multiculturalism, democracy, and the rule of law. Overall, the Canadian Constitution not only establishes government framework, but also enshrines the rights and freedoms of its citizens, making it a living document that is designed to evolve with the ever-changing Canadian society.